Hi, welcome back to my channel. Ako ngasi si videos sida before and after photos kaya minaze no sembagi sida sigi case da nakhang se khar neme and nostril se khar phando e. So sida silicone implant ama hape sida nakhang se wang khalle tip su khara projection khar phale and alar reduction tawraga nostrils khar phanba je asima phale. Snow sembaze chana hai baze yam munna khana ba machange anyone gi no semaga ekta pangpha phajani ha bilate so no say different types lay and mimi gi nose the condition do yenga different types of surgery the ka lay bilay yam complex over rhinoplasty zulay ka simpler over rhinoplasty zulay anyway sigi case study alar reduction tawe alar reduction gi stitch removal ne somna project video da yeng biri se and silicone hapagi incision di nostril manung dagi tawe closed approach ta closed technique ta so adugi di langsat pa khotpa tawrai nostril manung da laigre mapan dagi skin rom da len da bide silicone implant do hapine silicone implant hapa ju different shapes sizes lay different quality lay and happy ba implant to so mi khotimok ta chana na ba hekta sarak pa nate so mi gi size different oi nose to gi requirement different oi aduna chana na ba silicone implant ready made amo orega zu chana na ba khan ba or khar modify tawraga chana han ba se yam important oi asije yam kuppa lugo thaba amo oi doine silicone implant hapada hekta yam natural man na phasan vibe se next point sina sigi videos and photos after gi urimiam je si after 7 days ki oi doine so yam nauriba condition oi doine no sema matung da silicone implant am hapamnina nakhang wang khalamina and alar reduction tawmin nose to khar pixel lamina nauri kanda dum khar phajato e have di like 1 week 2 weeks or 3 weeks ta sometimes ka hena swelling to mi zu yawe so moi gi swelling do 1 to 3 weeks muk changaga dum 2-3 weeks tagi khara yeng muda phajaba horpa initial langsapa matam da di kashu ram phajada ba na ton do yam pombagi amain to usyam yawe and then swelling je sum handaraga pura handabadi 100% swelling pura handabadi 6 months 1 year even 2 years uchang bi but 6 months 1 year 2 year hai je city acha was swelling nate just last ki li hoba 5% 10% swelling gi wane si meaning se kaino 3 months da yengwa nose to ga 1 year da yengwa nose to ga kitang di picture kani hai bane that does not mean that 3 months da yam chawgani 1 month yam chawgani hai nate ayamba swelling di ayamba mida by 3 weeks adum handai and by 1 month adum yengbada phajaba haure